We've made some
What's up, guys?
interesting changes. Yesterday there was a race car right here.
Fuck my Willie.
It's now over there. That motor's got to come out. Hey, what are you guys up to?
Taking off the crack. Oh, right now we're disconnecting the radiator from the engine to the thermostat.
It's
draining
gonna
it.
cause a mess. But
Yeah, there's a drain pan.
Okay. Got bucket.
Got bucket. Oh, I didn't even. Oh, Logan.
It appears to just be water.
It appears to be no coolant.
That's not water.
struggling?
No. No, no.
This one didn't have much in it. One in thermostat.
Well, yeah, that's probably good. I don't think there's a thermostat in it. It's probably been on there since the 70s, dude.
She's coming.
Can't believe dusty.
She started gushing.
That is not water. What are we putting in this thing? Now, theoretically, if we just put it all back together, it'll work.
Are we gonna take out this radiator?
Yeah, we need to.
We're gonna have to.
Yeah, we
Take
can
out the
use.
French
We
wrap.
can put that radiator in there because it's
Wow.
350 radiator.
Why would we need to take out the radiator at the moment?
Well, we at least need to take this plastic off right here.
So the question is, how in depth are we going to go into this Nova build? Are we just putting an engine in it?
That's up to you.
Or, well, I want feedback. And I know what Mundo's going to say.
I think if we put 350 in it, we take it. Obviously, you're gonna have to run new brakes.
Eventually, yes.
Eventually. Which won't be hard. It's,
No.
You're just gonna take that master cylinder out, put a new one in, or a new brake for it.
Where's the box full of 350 shit? Get these bags, homie.
Oh, good luck.
There's two little fucking screws.
How are we supposed to get it out without breaking it?
What's wrong?
We're not gonna be able to get it out without breaking it.
Without breaking what?
Break it.
No.
Oh.
That's not the solution.
That's not the issue. There it is.
Wait. Why are we doing this hard way? Look, looking for this thing. There's 3 bolts right here that is holding in the radiator at the moment. These sockets are impact rated.
No, it ain't. There you go.
WD-40. Where's the PB Blast?
Yeah, where's the PV?
Here we go.
Most of the lines can stay on there because it's just connected back into the motor.
Ooh. Ooh. There she goes. She's already fighting back. I got an idea.
I've got myself an idea.
It's vice grip size, that's for damn sure.
Vice grip son.
Hey, I got it. All right, pull it out.
Oh!
Why are you taking that off? It's just gonna come with it.
Scarlett
Give a fuck.
Johansson.
Because we need to get some exhaust.
It's vice grip sized.
It's vice grip size. Or we can just like put
No.
that shit over there.
Oh look, that one's loose. Just
Yeah,
twist the
grab
car.
that one. Alrighty.
Solutions.
Just twist the carburetor. Can I have my socket back, please? Please. Please. Fucking.
Oh my god.
Give that shit. Here, let me see. Just leave it on there. Back out. Back out. Oh,
I need a wrench to take this ground off.
oh, goodbye.
Hey, should we drain the oil out of this one beforehand?
Nah.
All right, now the hard part's gonna be those transmission mounts and that exhaust. That's always the hardest part.
Yeah.
You guys might be asking yourself why I'm putting a 350 in my Nova. You know what I got the answer to that for? Cause I can. If you guys are interested in buying a non-blown up straight 6,
Don't hit this guy up. He'll see.
if you guys are interested in buying a non-blown up straight 6, message us down in the comments.
Just cut the belt.
No.
always wanted to cut a belt off.
I've always wanted to cut a belt off. It actually worked. What are you guys taking off now?
Power steering column.
What if we just build that block and put new bearings and pistons in it?
That's what we're doing.
Well, I know, but like, so we could get in the Nova ASAP.
Turn it the other way.
Oh,
Turn it the other way.
I'm trying! I'm trying!
Which way was Lefty Lucy?
You want to take that fan off?
We came out.
What are you talking
You see the engine in there? It has to not be in there.
Oh my lord. Is that a gasket?
Oh! What was there? What is that?
Dude.
What is that thing?
It's all RTV.
Yeah, what is that thing?
That's
You're
the
supposed to do?
thermostat.
Oh, yeah, the thermostat.
Fuel system's disconnected. I had to get under there and disconnect that starter. That's what I'm gonna do.
Edit it out.
My dad's got it. Don't worry.
These kids. God it. These kids are so stupid.
He's gonna go look at this video and be like, I should have never left these three alone unsupervised. You know, I just realized, why are we taking off the headers? We had to take them off with the exhaust anyway. So can't we just climb under there and hit it from the exhaust clamp?
Yeah.
And just take it all in one go?
There.
Yeah.
You want my safety glasses? We'll be right back after we get this piece out of here. Alright, so while he's risking his life down there, I'm going to be taking him off the starter. And I say risking his life because this car might give him tetanus.
I wish I had a thing that would lock in. Mine doesn't lock into the grill no more. I broke it off.
Yes, sir.
I don't think he's supposed to do that.
Oh. You're going the wrong way. Mounting bolt, or transmission mounting bolt, and then engine mounts, I guess. We'll be right back after these short messages and we find our jack. Hood is 4 bolts. Straight on till morning, bud.
I love this game.
Oh, that's how you break a swivel at 90 like that.
I know. Bro,
Take off an extension. Yeah, there you go.
won't even go on.
Alright, let me see the Ugg Dugga. Oh, thinking about it now, we shouldn't take that one off yet. Because then it's just going to slide that way and bend this.
Easy fix, buddy.
You don't need to tie strips out screws. Ain't no way.
No, it didn't break, but...
Oh, I thought your 14 went into the abyss in Narnia.
Me too, bro.
Hi. Whoa. Alright, this one's all that's holding these two.
Ow! Alright.
Oh, this is sad to see the Nova like this.
You think?
Alright, do you think your little Ugga Dugga's got it in it to do these engine mounts?
Probably, maybe.
You know, we haven't found anything that that little Ugga Dugga hasn't been able to take care of. I think you
don't.
come at it from this side, and then we hold that side with an engine, or with the wrench.
That's not how it works, buddy.
Why?
So you gotta take this off. This knuckle goes underneath.
Hmm.
It'd be easier
Yes,
if we
I
just
see.
unbolted these. Because I think there's
4 more. I'm telling you, I think if we just take this one out right here, this is... Alright, go for it. Hang on. We need a hammer to hammer that out. Oh, maybe not. Just get a Damien. They're on sale right now at Hobo Freight. Keep going. Alright, so we got a transmission mount?
transmission bolts. Yeah.
Well, we're not taking out the bell housing.
Oh, wait, yeah.
We're taking out the entire thing. So if you want, we can lift it up and we can both get under there and do 2 sides at once. People, stop using your jag handles as pry bars. Right there on that, yeah. Up goes the Nova.
Bro. You just walk around and be like, yo, I need this.
Okay, chalks.
Oh wow, there's not any room down here.
Still?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy?
I think it would be a lot easier if we took off the tranny.
Did this thing have red stuff on it before? Oh, that universal joint's leaking really bad.
Yeah, I see that.
Tasty.
Yeah, but we have all of these bell housing bolts too.
I know.
So let's take out the 8 bell housing bolts, or take out this. And...
Honestly, I don't even know.
Oh, yeah, I got the stand. Is that the shift lever?
Yeah, which is extremely loose, by the way.
Yeah, well, there's one bolt to take it out right there.
Right here, and it just disconnects. Well, how do we get it off of here?
By popping it off. And then we got these 2 transmission cooler lines. And that, as far as I could tell, plus the drive line. Which I don't even see a drive. Oh, what the f is this rear diff? Why is it crooked? So, but the drive line should just pop right out. What do you think we should do?
I don't know. I'm still...
These are the kind of issues we're gonna have when we open a shop, Damien.
I know.
Because we can
take out bell housing bolts.
We could take out the 6 bell housing bolts. It's just gonna be more of a pain in the ass.
Well, we just gotta finagle and wiggle. We got pry bar.
I don't know how the pry bar's gonna help. Because then we have to take out the starter as well.
Yeah.
And
It's not that hard.
No, that's not. None of that's
I'm
that
saying
hard.
we get more space up in there in the engine bay, so that way we can actually.
We may have to hook the cherry picker up and bend the engine down in order to reach the top 2 bell housing bolts.
Oh yeah.
And then we have to take off this plate and take off the flex plate bolts, the torque converter bolts. Either way, it's going to be a lot of work.
I know.
Come down with me to take out the starter. Come with me and you'll be in a world of ocean violations. Oh, it wasn't very tight on there. FYI, I still don't fit under here very well. Ah, the GoPro! Alright, what's it gonna take to get that flex plate off?
There's 1, 2, 3. Wow, there's 4 bolts.
Mayday. Ooh, that one was pretty tight. Oh, can you go up from above and grab the starter?
Damn it, Logan.
I'm sorry, buddy.
Why are you taking off the starter anyway?
Because we're separating this transmission and the motor.
They took it off with the starter.
This is the 250, not the 296 version.
Oh, wait, yeah. Okay, I got it.
Oh, nope, still not off. Can you pick up the starter at all?
Yeah, I'm picking it up, but I can't move it. I can't take it out.
How long is this in bolt?
It goes all the way through.
There we go.
I need to start bringing up Sharpie.
You probably should.
You start labeling all these bags. I'm like, where does this go?
What's this baggie for?
Does this even go to this?
Burp, burp.
Wow.
Okay, that was easy. Theoretically. Oh, there it goes. Okay, that was something. We need a wrench. I think the equivalent of 15 is a 5/8. Dude, everything is so caked up under here. And not in the good way.
No. Oh, yeah, baby. Right there. I can get the flex plate bolts from there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, bet. It's still leaking red.
Yeah, I know.
ATF.
A lot.
A lot.
I have to rotate it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So...
we could put a battery in there. Oh, no, there's no starter.
No, there's no spark.
There's no starter.
Just, we can use the pry bar.
Yeah. I'll rotate it if you get under here.
Yeah. I don't even know if this is gonna work. I think we need the big Ugga Dugga.
Alright, we'll be right back. We gotta look for the big Ugga Dugga. Welcome back. Well, you haven't been gone. What have we done?
Oh, we took off the bell housing cover.
Oh, yeah, we took out the flex plate bolts. We're trying to get to the bell housing bolts, but it's deciding to be a pain in the ass. So, Gogo has engineered a plan. Who knows if it's gonna turn out okay? Probably not knowing how much. You have met your maker!
Can you get that?
Yeah.
The power of
Thank
friendship.
God.
The power of friendship.
Yes, sir. Hopefully there's not one up top. I'm just praying that it's like that motor over there. Oh my God, those two were a struggle. You are my candy girl. Sugar, sugar.
Bum, 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 bum. Oh, honey.
Alright, this is what I can do for you.
Sweet little candy.
Oh, these ones aren't gonna be as bad. Okay, I need an extension. Got it. Alright, this one may be a little more difficult.
That may be true. Just pushing up, righty tighty. Pushing down, lefty loosey. Alright?
Yeah, I think so.
Don't strip it. Let me get under there.
Yeah, go ahead and get under here. Fuck, I see another one.
Do you?
Yeah.
That means there's one on the other side too.
Yeah, that's what I'm scared of.
I knew there wasn't only 4.
Yeah.
It's too good to be true.
Alright, now we're doing the easy part, hopefully. Hopefully. It's separating. It's separated. That works. Go all the way up with it, yeah. We have a problem. I think we're free floating.
You see where the harness is?
Yeah.
What side is it?
We're gonna have to let it back down and take out that bolt.
That's what it does. Keep going. Keep going. You're good, you're good, you're good.
Alright.
We are free, baby.
Fuck yeah, bud. There's a little white S10.
We have to come back a little bit.
Alright, we're probably good to start pulling back. There's no longer a motor in the Nova. Alright, oh, it's getting dark, so all we're going to do is put on a tire for the night.
Yeah.
We'll come back to it later. Adios.
If you've been watching this long, you might as well subscribe. Remember, don't wait for opportunity, create it.
Nickelback.